Hey guys, Storm 5.7 here with another video. Sorry it's been so long, I've been so busy lately. I just wanted to show you guys this new Tailgate LED light bar I won on Instagram. I won it from Rammedup5.7. I'll show you his page here. There's his page. Might be kind of hard to see on the phone, but here's the actual post itself, the giveaway. So he does giveaways every once in a while. Go follow his page. Stay tuned for the next one. So I'll show you. MICTUNING is the company that makes a bunch of different lighting products. They make this light bar. I'm gonna give you their here's their page right here. Go give them a follow. And yeah, they're looking for testers all the time. Look at all the different products they have. They got a ton of different things, guys, so go check out the product. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the LED strip itself, the turn signals, the hazard lights, the reverse light, and the brake lights. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, here's the 60-inch MICTUNING LED strip that I won on the Instagram giveaway. Just doing a review. I love this LED strip, it's awesome. As you can see, here's the running lights. This is just with the running lights and the headlights on. So go ahead and put the left blinker on for me. Here's the left blinker. Go ahead, put the right blinker on. There's the right blinker. Alright, you can turn that off. Go ahead and show me the brake lights. Here's the brake lights, guys. Look at how bright that is. That is so bright. No one's gonna be running into you. Alright, let's see the flashers, please. Here's the flashers. So if you break down for whatever reason, you got a flat tire or you got some sort of issue, people are gonna see this from miles away. This is so bright. You can't miss that. It's awesome. Looks beautiful. And yeah, I'll show you guys the reverse. Go ahead, turn off the hazards and throw in reverse. There's a reverse light. Go look at that. When you're backing up, you can see literally everything behind you. Look at all this light output. You can see my jeans are just, it's pretty dark out here right now. It's about 10 o'clock and it lights up pretty well. You know, you can see pretty well, especially if you got the backup camera like I do. It's awesome to have this reverse light. Pretty easy install. I got it hardwired right into my 7 and 4 pin connector there. It's pretty easy. It took about 30 minutes to wire that up, and I took the tailgate off and threw it back on. Not a problem at all. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and more videos will be coming soon. Just for fun, I'm going to show you my LEDs on my bike since we're talking about light strips. I got an 07 Gixxer 750, just for fun. But now, shout out to MICTUNING and Rammedup5.7. Go ahead and give them a follow on Instagram if you haven't already. They have tons of giveaways. MICTUNING has tons of different LEDs. He's always looking for testers, so go give them a follow. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Later.